Welcome back for another Fantom price prediction analysis video, and in this video I will be giving you areas that Fantom needs to continue holding above in the next coming hours, the next key areas of resistances, and also share out what I'm expecting to play out basing my analysis on the Elliot structures. And at the time of this recording, Fantom continues to show a lot of bullishness and continues to hold above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also seen a break above a significant area of resistance at around the $0.3075 mark, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. And the next key area of resistance that we need to face out lies at around the $0.3931 mark, and as long as we continue holding above the $0.3075 mark, there are chances that we can see that increase in bullish momentum to continue gearing up and see a break above that key area of resistance. Fantom continues to obey the Elliot wave structures, and zooming out on the charts to give you my Elliot wave analysis, you can see that after getting our lows down here back on the 18th of October, we saw this massive push breaking above significant areas of resistances in a move that gave us a high above the $0.2886 mark, in a move that I'm terming as the formation of this Elliot wave count 1 to the upper side. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, which was a straight sell-off to the lower side, hitting our minimum target areas for the second wave, which can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the second wave down there to the high of that wave 1. And that gives me a minimum target area for the second wave between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.618. And I can mark that target area here on the charts like that. And you can see that we saw this straight sell-off into the target area, leaving us with a long wick into the area, though we didn't see a close within the minimum target area. That movement was quickly bought up, and we continued gearing up in what we can now term as the start of an impulsive move to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And the minimum target areas for the third wave can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave down there to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the $0.41942 mark. And that is the minimum that we can expect this wave 3 to the upper side to do. And all we need to see Fantom do is continue to hold above support at around the $0.375 mark, continue showing bullish momentum, breaking above the next key area of resistance at around the $0.3931 mark, and a break above that, then we can easily fully maximize our minimum target area in the formation of that wave 3. Then we can expect a wave 4, then continue gearing up even higher in the formation of that wave 5 to the upper side. We also need to have an alternative scenario in case things don't play out the way we are predicting using the Elliot wave structures, and maybe at some point we see a bit of a bearish momentum or maybe a pullback, losing support at around the $0.3075 mark. In case such a movement plays out, then we can expect further pullback to the area at around the $0.25 mark, where we have our next significant areas of support. And as long as that continues to hold, we can still expect higher prices. And a break below the $0.25 mark, then I will be expecting even more lower prices to the area at around the $0.2 mark. So that is the alternative scenario that we need to have in mind in case we see a pullback in the next coming hours. But for now, I'm leaning to the upper side, still expecting higher prices in the formation of that wave 3. and a break above that significant area of resistance. And that's all for this video, and I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you in the next one.